Alright, in this video I'm going to give you a small tip which probably you know. If you don't know, you will come to know about it. It's all about using your favorite editor as a ManPager. That means while you seeing the ManPages on Linux system, you will use the power of your favorite editor. It could be Emacs, it could be Vim, it could be any other editor you use. Okay, so in this particular video I'll show you how a single line of code can make your editor to react to the keystroke and power of an editor. Specifically seeing ManPages with the Vim power. Okay, so without further ado, let me spawn up a terminal, and if I do a little bit of if I go full screen and say if I wanted to see man lsof or whatever the stuff, right? So the ManPages started with Vim, you can see. So if I can use J and K to go up, okay, and I can use Shift V to select the line. Okay, so whatever I do in Vim, motion keys and all other stuff, I can do similar kind of stuff in the ManPages, right? I can search like this -c, so it will take me there. Okay, I can search like this -r, it will take me there. Okay, so I can do whatever I can do in Vim, so I can do the similar thing in the while seeing the ManPage. That means there is some mechanism to bind the Vim power properly. It has an environmental variable called ManPager. A pager is a kind of thing which will allow you to see the content on the screen page by page basis. That is why it is called pager. In most of the system, they use something called less, which is a popular paging system, more, which is an old one but effective one, most, it's an advanced one with all the colored support. But here I'm seeing the ManPages with the help of Vim capabilities. So that means whatever I wanted to do inside the ManPage, except few things, I can use the motion keys, I can use the action keys. Whatever I do inside Vim, I can do with the ManPages while seeing it. Okay, so I can use, as you can see, I use J and K to go up and down, select as I said. I can go here, and if I come here, I can select VIW, I can select the word. Okay, so probably I'll show you VIW. Likewise, I can, whatever I do, okay, it's become cliche. Whatever I do inside Vim, I can do with the while seeing the ManPages. Okay, so how is it possible? Now let me show you. So I can quit by pressing Q. Okay, so how it is it possible? I have a export. As I said, there is an environmental variable called ManPager, okay, which I have to manipulate little to make ManPages use Vim capabilities. Okay, so let me show you. Let me zoom it little bit so people stop complaining then. Grep, because I know the stuff I'm looking at, so is basically exporting a environmental variable ManPager. Okay, and if I search it out on my bash RC, it could be applied to other shell initialization file. Not necessarily you have to use bash, but this is explicitly related to ManPager. Okay, so if I press enter, you can see a single line, export ManPager. Now let me explain to you. Vim, that is taking a flag -r, that means it is read-only, open as a man page, not supposed to be modified, right? So that's why this flag is essential. It will open the man pages as read-only. -c is the flag which allow the ex prompt commands. Okay, what you basically run while you are inside Vim. If you press colon, it will take you to the bottom of the Vim session. Okay, and you can use the ex command, which is what -c means. Here set ft means file type. When it sends we are opening a man page, then it will turn off the mode, no mode, that is signified. No relative number, no number, no list. These facilities going to be turned off while opening the man pages. Okay, as you can see, set ft is assigned to man. Whenever we start man, this no mode, no relative number, no number, no list, this facility should get turned off while seeing the man pages. Okay, so if you don't know about those, please get into Vim and get the help section to find out those no mode, no relative number, no list, to find out what they do. That will be a topic for another video if I get a chance. Now here is a then -m. That means not modifiable. When you start Vim, you cannot modify it. As I said, the man pages should not be modifiable, right? That's why the -m stands for. Then it will call up the man pager. Dash means whatever in std in, std out, right? Whatever in std out should be displayed without having the capability of modifying anything on that page, and essentially in read only mode. So this one line export will make your man pager take the facility of Vim in a read-only mode and not modifiable mode. As simple as that. I hope you are following me. I'm clearly explained to you, right? It's just to use the man pages with Vim power. Okay, so final time, let me give you another little step. So this is the line you are seeing on the screen. It has to be going to your shell initialization file. So every time you get into the environment and you open up a man page, you use the Vim as a pager. Okay, so if I write man ps, and it will put me in a Vim to show. Now if I use JK, I'm showing it second time in this video, JK to go up and down, L to move. Okay, so you can do whatever you like to do. Okay, so you can do VIW to select whatever you do, the action keys and all those motion keys inside Vim. The only thing that you cannot modify it because it's a man page. That's why you started the man pager, and it's in read-only mode. You can search it, you can do whatever you like to do. Whatever you do inside Vim, you could do the same thing, because essentially you are inside Vim, right? You are inside Vim. You are seeing the man pages. I think it will be useful for the Vim enthusiast, or the people who use Vim for all of their work. Okay, so it is. I found it very handy, so I have bounded the stuff the way I want. Essentially, seeing man pages with Vim capabilities. Um, you could do the same thing with Emacs, which I'm not going to show you, because the reason being that Emacs already has built-in man mode. Okay, so you don't have to do. If you are inside Emacs, you can easily get into a man mode and get seeing the pages. So there is no point making redundant stuff out of. Although you can, with a little bit of help and tweaking, you can easily use Emacs as a pager to your man page viewing. Okay, so I hope this will give you some sort of a heads up, or clarify things, that your favorite editor can be a man pager. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.